Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Jacob.
So, this is Jacob's last voice lesson, and I'm so sad. So I'm going to make this little tutorial so you can practice with this at home on these tricky parts for his audition piece. So, let's just practice the O part.
It's more of a.
Ooh.
It's all together.
Those are the pitches. So can you try that? Let's do it again. And me, that comes just before that, is like this. Let's try that again. So that it's not that high.
I feel like in one of them it's like a higher me, like me.
It might be at a different part in the song, but that part.
Yeah.
So
not this part.
It might be a little bit later. But let's try and sing. Can you sing that part? And now I'll play the accompaniment and see if you can still sing that. That's where you sing. And then without the accompaniment, me. Do you have any other spots to hear where you're stopping? Any other spots that you want to have to practice with? Or is that the only part you feel a little...
I feel like this is the part where it goes up.
You want to try that? Is there something wrong with me? You sing that?
Is there something wrong with me?
I want to do it again.
Is there something wrong with me?
And one more time.
Is there something wrong with me?
Anything else? Okay. Well, give yourself 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for Jacob and his 5-star audition.